So here's a right blast from the past for you. Who remembers doing shutter cards? I used to love doing these, a little photo in the middle or a little hidden message or whatever. They're actually really easy to do. Once you understand the principle, you can adapt them for all different sizes. So I'm going to do standard 5x7. So what you're going to need to do is we're going to do a gatefold card first. So you need your card cutting to 10x7. And we're going to just put our gatefold score lines in. So you're going to score both sides at 2.5 inches. Gets our basic gatefold. And then just to make life easy, I'm going to do all of my matting and layering before I start. So I've got my 2 gatefold pieces folded in. And then I've got just a panel to go on the back here. I've got 2 straight panels to go down the sides, like this, with a couple of pieces on. And then I've got 2 panels to go on the front. And then I've just stuck a little wiggle on the front there as well. Okay, now for the actual mechanism, you're going to do a piece of card, and if you look, you need it to be just a little bit longer than your card. So I've cut this one to 7 7/8, and I've done it by 4 inches wide. So the reason we've gone 7 7/8 is because I'm going to go at either side 1/2 inch, which will then just make it a tiny little bit shorter than my card, which is what you want. So just a slightly less than 8 inches, 1/2 inch on either side. Now what I have done is I've then cut a piece of cardstock, which will just mat and layer over the front, the lovely lovebirds on, and I'm going to stick this down, but I'm then going to die cut through 2 layers. Now, because I'm going to stick it first and then die cut, I'm not going too heavy with the adhesive. So I'm using the all-purpose glue, and I'm just going to manoeuvre that into place, get it exactly where we want it. Right, and then if you think I've got my picture, so I'm going to lie my picture on here, and I'm going to just choose a die to do the aperture at the right size. Now I find hearts are a brilliant aperture, circles are a lovely aperture. Yep, if I look at that one there, that's going to be just a good size. I'm just going to pop that just about in here, hold it in place with a little bit of tape, and look at that. Me and Simon can be the lovebirds. Right, so I'm going to cut through 2 layers with my Gemini. So popping that into place, and then just send that through. There you go. And you should have no problem cutting through your 2 layers there. And you'll see that's going to go just nicely over the front of my card. Now, before we stick that down, we need to do the side panels. So my 2 side panels are 4 by 4.5, and that's because what you need to do is put yourself a little 1/2 inch glue and flap on the side. So a little 1/2 inch. And then what we need to do is we need to cut a diamond shape, like 1/2 diamond, into the front. So let me show you the easiest way to do it, right? If I measure, if I pop the 2.5 inch, so fold that over, pop the 2.5 inch marker in the middle there, and then I'm going to go as though I'm going corner to corner, but just come as far as that middle marker, and then the same as though I'm going corner to corner here, just coming up as far as that middle marker. That will give me the exact right shape to cut that into top and bottom here. And you want the same on your other one, so just use that as a little marker. And it doesn't matter if they aren't 100% exact. Accuracy isn't the key here, because they're going to be hidden behind our little mechanism piece. Right. So you can see that, and they're going to cross over, and that's what gives us that little mechanism. So if I bring this in, now tape pen is perfectly adequate for this. Putting tape pen down the side and sticking my one side, and then a little bit of tape pen. Stick the other. And then we're just going to put one over top of the other. Right, so the first thing you want to do is pop your picture in. And I'm going to just use a little bit of all-purpose so that I've got that manoeuvrability time. Pop that into place. Make sure, oh yeah, that's lovely. We're going to get a nice view on there. And then with this piece, you just want the tape pen at the top and bottom. So we're going to put the bottom in place first. And then at the top, just make sure you're covering over that little bit of working there. Stick that down, and that will give you that lovely closing mechanism. And that is what gives you that lovely little shutter card.